In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline payroll approvals in QuickBooks Time. If you want payroll to run faster and more accurately, setting up a solid approvals workflow is the key. I'll walk you through the exact flow, share what to look for, and give a few practical tips to keep everything on schedule. Start by opening QuickBooks Time from QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, go to All Apps, select Time, and then choose Launch QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're signed in with a role that allows viewing and approving time. If you can't see certain options, you may need an admin to adjust your permissions. Once QuickBooks Time is open, head to the Approvals area from the top navigation. This is your hub for everything pending approval. You'll see submitted time entries that are waiting on a manager's green light. Take a moment to get comfortable with what's on this screen, such as the date range and the list of employees. The clearer this view is, the easier it is to spot anything out of place before payroll day. Next, set up your approval workflow so timesheets always land with the right person. Assign managers or team leads to approve time entries, and double-check that each employee's timesheet routes to the correct approver. Align approvers with your real-world structure, by department, location, or team, so nothing gets stuck. Keeping your team roster up to date helps ensure approvals go to the right inbox the first time. Now review and act on the timesheets. Open the submitted entries, look for accuracy in hours, breaks, overtime, and job or project codes if you use them. When everything looks good, click Approve to lock those hours for payroll. If something needs fixing, click Reject and include a short note so the employee or manager knows exactly what to correct. Clear feedback speeds up resubmissions and prevents last-minute scrambling. To keep everything moving, turn on automated reminders. Go to Company Settings, then Notifications, and enable reminders for pending approvals. This helps managers stay on top of their queue without you having to chase them down manually. You can tailor the timing to match your payroll cycle so approvals land before your cutoff. Once approvals are complete, those timesheets are locked and payroll ready. At that point, you can export or send the approved hours to payroll and proceed with your normal processing routine. That's how to streamline payroll approvals in QuickBooks Time. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.